Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us do the part 2 of the same chapter, that is chapter number 1, that is the rational numbers. So we have already done in the previous video, that is the exercise 1A and 1B. So now let us see for 1C. So here add the following rational numbers. So these are the numbers given and you have to add it. So here, because the denominator is the same, so I wrote it only once, and minus 2 plus 4, and this is easy, plus 4 minus 2, that is going to be 2 by 5. Again here, why this is minus? Because plus into this minus is going to be, this is going to be minus. So this will be minus 6 minus 4 by 11. So whenever there are two minus, this one will be negative signs when we add it. We add these numbers, but we write the negative sign, that will be minus 10 by 11. So again for this one, minus 11 plus 5 by 8, that will be minus 6 by 8. So 2 3s are and 2 4s are, that will be minus 3 by 4. For here, minus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that will be minus 7 plus 1 by 3. So minus 6 by 3, that is going to be 3 1s are, 3 2s are, that is going to be minus 2. These are actually the simple ones. So here, again when we are adding this one, so this will be plus minus is going to be minus over here. So 5 minus 1 by 6, that is going to be 4 by 6. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So you can also do, if you don't know directly how to do this one, divide by 2, you can show it this way, and that will be 2 by 3. Now again here when you add it, plus minus is going to be minus 17 minus 1 by 15, that is going to be minus 18 by 15. So here this will go with 3 5s are and 3 6s are. So that will be minus 6 by 5. Now you have to add the following rational numbers. When you add this one, plus minus is going to be here, this is going to be minus here. So now you will look at the denominators. So here it will be 4 5s are and here 5 4s are, that will be 20. So this will be 15 by 20 and this is going to be minus 20 by 20. So this will be 15 minus 12 by 20. So that will be 3 by 20. So here again, if you are doing a plus minus now. So now here you can see the denominators are different. So when you take the LCM of 8 and 12, that is going to be 24. You can just see I have done it directly. You can just take the LCM and see what is the LCM. 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are and 2 3s are, 2 1s are 3 and this 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 is the LCM. So 8 3s are and 12 2s are. So because this is multiplied by 3, this also should be multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 2 means this also should be multiplied by 2. So this will be 15 by 24, 14 by 24. So when you subtract this one, so 15 minus 14 by 24, that is going to be 1 by 24. Again, when you add this one, so minus 8 plus 11 by, this will be minus 8 by 9 and plus 11 by 6. So now when you take the LCM of 9 and 6, that is going to be 18. So 9 2s are and 6 3s are. So that is going to be minus 16 and this is going to be 33. Both are 18. So minus 16 plus 33, that is going to be 17. 17 by 18. So this is the answer. Again from here, minus 5 by 16 and 7 by 24. So minus 5 by 16 and this is plus 7 by 24. So when you take the LCM of this one, so that is going to be 48. So 16 3s are 48 and 24 2s are 48. So this will be 2 and this is going to be 3. This is what I have written here. So this is going to be minus 15 by 48 and plus 14 by 48. So here minus 15 plus 14 by 48. So minus 15 plus 14 is going to be minus 1 by 48. Again here when you add it, you take the LCM of this plus this and this. So this is going to be 54. So 18 3s are and this will be 2. So this is going to be here. So that will be minus 21 by 54, and this will be 16 by 54. So minus 21 plus 16, that is going to be minus 5 by 54. Now for here, 1 by, this will be, you can also write this as minus 1 by 12, and this we can write as minus 2 by 15. So here plus minus becomes, because you are going to add it, this is going to be minus. Now you will take the LCM of 12 and 15. So that is going to be 60. So here you will write here 12 5s are and 15 4s are 60. So this is going to multiply by 4 and this will be 5. So minus 5 by 60 and minus 8 by 60. So this will be minus 5 minus 8 by 60. So that will be minus 13 by 60. So here minus 1 and 3 by 4. That will be plus 3 by 4. So this is going to be, this is 1 divided by 1. So this, the LCM is 4. Minus 1 into 4 by 4. This will be as it is. So minus 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So minus 4 plus 3, that is going to be minus 1 by 4. Now here, when you add this one, this becomes minus here. So LCM will be 4. So that will be 2 into 4, 1 into 4. And here will be 1. So that will be minus 5 into 1, 4 into 1. So now you can write here 8 by 4 and 5 by 4. So this is going to be 8 minus 5 by 4. That will be 3 by 4. Now 0 and minus 2 by 5. So this is plus. Plus minus is going to be minus. So 0 minus 2 by 5. Because here there is nothing, means that should be 1. So this should be multiplied by 5. So 0 into 5 will be 0. And the LCM is going to be 5. So this will be 0 minus 2 means minus 2 by 5. Now here we have to verify the following. Minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 5. So now this is the left hand side. Let us take the left hand side first. So same thing here. We have to take the LCM, what we did in the previous problem. The LCM will be 35. So 12 cents are 84 and this will be 10. So because this is negative, so negative 84 by 35 and 10 by 35. Minus 84 plus 10 by 35. So that will be minus 74 by 35. And the RHS is, this we have to write it over here. So here what we can do, 2 by 7. Here because there are two signs, so I have put this in a bracket. So now plus minus is minus. Look at the denominators. The LCM is going to be 35. So this is same thing what I wrote here. So this will be 10. This will be 84. So now here you can see 10 minus 84. So minus 84 plus 10. So that is going to be minus 74. So minus 74 by 35. So this and this is the same. So we can write here LHS. This is important. We have to write here because we have to verify. So LHS is equal to RHS. We can write here. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now here the left hand side. Again take the LCM here. This will be 104. So here will be same thing what I have written here. Sorry, this is 13. So here this will be 13 5 is 65 by 104. This will be negative. Plus minus is going to be minus here. So this will be 72. 9 8 is 72. That is here. So now you are going to take minus 65 minus 72. And whenever they both are negative, well, in multiplication, negative becomes positive. Here we have to add it. Add the numbers, but put the negative sign. So this is going to be 137, but it will be negative 137 by 104. So the RHS is here. Again here this will be, the LCM is going to be 104. So here will be 8 and here will be 13. So same thing is here. Plus minus is minus here. And this will be 72. 13 5 is 65. So again minus 72 minus 65 by 104. That is minus 137 by 104. So therefore LH is equal to RHS. Now you have to verify the following here. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So left hand side let us take first. So now let us do for the brackets first. So what are you going to take? You are going to take the LCM of this one, that will be 20. So here same thing is written here. Plus minus will be minus. So here you are going to write here 15 by 20 minus 8 by 20. And this will be plus minus is going to be minus here. So 7 by 10. So now let us see the bracket first. So 15 minus 8 by 20 minus the 7 by 10 as it is. So here this will be 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 by 20 and this is 7 by 10. So now you will look at the denominator. The denominators are different. So what will you do here? You can also write if you want one more step. So now later on after this you can write this step. So this is going to be, this is 20 and this will be, you have to make it to 20. So here 7 minus 14 by 20. So for minus 14 plus 7 is going to be minus 7 by 20. And this is the RHS. So this will be as it is. Now this will be, because the LCM is 10. So this will be here, plus minus is minus. This will be 7 by 10. So same thing what I told here, the LCM is 10. So this should be, the denominator should be done first and then whatever the changes in the denominator, the same changes in the numerator. 3 by 4 plus, this is going to be minus 4 by 10 and this is minus 7 by 10. So here minus 4 minus 7 by 10. So this is going to be minus 4 minus 7, that is going to be minus 11 by 10. Plus minus is minus. So now again the denominators are different. So now what will be the LCM is 20. 10 twos are, so here will be 5. So 15, here you will write 3 by 5 first. Here you will write here 11 multiply by 2. So here that will be 15 by 20 and here will be 22 by 20. And when you take this 15 minus 22 by 20, so minus 22 plus 15 is going to be minus 7 by 20. So therefore, we can write here LHS is equal to RHS, or we can write here the same thing because here they have given verify. So let us better write this one, that this is equal to this one. So now again here the same, you can just have a look at it because the method is the same. First look at the denominators. LCM is 55. So this will be, so now you can do one thing, this minus you can write it over here, so plus minus is minus. This will be plus again, plus minus will be minus over here. Minus 35, minus 22, over here 55. This will be the same. Minus 35 minus 22 over 55. This will be the same. So minus 35 minus 22 is going to be minus 57 over 55. This is the same. So now what will you do here? 22 times 510 and this also is going to be 110. So this will be here by 110. So minus 114 by 110 minus 65 by 110. So when you, so that will be minus 114 minus 65. So this will be minus 179 by 110. This is the answer. So now this is not done. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. RHS is here. The same thing we have to solve. Sorry, this will be here. Again the same. First we have to look at the bracket, then make the denominators the same. Just have a look at it. Everything is done here because we have done the same method now, whatever you have done. So just look at the sign. Wherever there is plus and minus means you have to make it to minus. So here will be minus. Now again here we have to do twice. So 110 and here is 10. So 11 tens are 110. So here, so this will be minus 70, minus 109. So when you add this one, that will be minus 179 divided by 110. So you got both the LHS and RHS the same. So we can say this is equal to this one. So now here the filling the blanks. Now see here. These are the easier ones, but because just it was in the exercise I gave it. Now see, these both are the same, both sides you have to compare. So here this is only one, so the right hand side also should be the same, along with the sign. So whatever I written in the white color, so that is the answer. Again, now what you can see, this and this is the same, both sides, means this and this should be the same. So see here, this is minus. So you have to write here minus. Now what you can do here, this both, no, not this one. This and this are the same, and this are the same. So now what remains is, no, sorry for that. This and this is the same, and this is the same. So now what remains is this one, minus 8 by 13. So it should be over here. Now look at this bracket. So this and this is the same. So this and this is the same. So now what remains is this one. So minus 11, 9 by 11. So again, this and this is the same. This is the same. So what remains here is minus 3 by 11. This is the same. So what you have to write here? Here actually the answer should be minus 16 by 17. So here we already have minus 16 by 17. So just we have to put 0. There is no other way, no other number what we can put it over here. So here also should be 0, here also should be 0. Minus 16 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 6 minus 16 by 7 is equal to minus 16 by 7. Now you have to find the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse means you have to take the opposite of this. So then you have to put the negative sign over there. So now suppose it is 1 by 3 means here is positive. So you have to take minus 1 by 3. Again here also this is positive means only the thing is you have to take the opposite sign. Additive inverse means you have to just change. See, yeah, I have given you the example. If it is a by b means you are going to write here minus a by b. And if it is minus a by b, this minus will become plus. So that will be a by b. Hope this is clear to you. So now see here, this is minus 18 means that is going to be plus 18. Minus 17 by 8 means that is going to be plus 17 by 8. So now see here, this is when we write here 15 by minus 4. So that we can also write here minus minus 15 by 4. Because why? We can write here, this is actually plus. Plus minus is also divided by minus is minus. And minus divided by plus is also minus. So you can take this sign in the numerator. So because that is in the number, that is negative 1. So that will become positive. So 15 by 4. Now see here, both the places it is negative means it is going to be positive. So we can put one step over here that we can write here 16 by 5 because both the numerator and denominator there is negative 1. So now this is 16 by 5. So if we take the additive inverse of that, so this is positive. So this is going to be minus 16 by 5. Hope this is clear. Negative 3 by 11 will be 3 by 11. 0 is going to be 0. There is no sign because we don't see minus 0 or plus 0 because 0 is always 0. Now here what we can do, we can also write this as minus 19 by 6. So that will be now plus 19 by 6. Again this what I said earlier, minus and minus both is there, that will become plus. That we can also write this as the same. So when we take the additive inverse of that, that is going to be minus 8 by 7. Now this is important now whenever we subtract and they say 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So whenever this from word is used after from whatever the number is, that should be at the start. So after from is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 should be here. and you are going to subtract this one, the first number, that is minus 3 by 4. And now you are going to look at the denominator. The denominator is 3 and 4, means you are going to take the LCM over here. So that will be 4 by 12 minus 9 by 12. So 4 minus 9 by 12. So minus 9 plus 4, that is going to be minus 5 by 12. So that is this the answer. So now again minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 should be in the start. And now see here, we are going to subtract. They said subtract. So this is a additional subtraction, and then this subtraction, this is the sign from this one, minus 5 by 6. So better put a bracket over here. So now it becomes minus becomes plus over here. This is the both are the same. So let us look at the denominator. So that is going to be 6. So here will be also 1. We can, even if we write or not, it's the same, because anything by multiplied by 1 is the same number. So now this will be 1 by 2, and this will be here. So that will be 2 by 6 plus 5 by 6. That will be 7 by 6. So this is the answer. And we can also write this one. This is the improper fraction. We can also write this like 7 divided by 6 means 6 ones are 6. So that is 1. So you know this is the mixed fraction. So 1 integer 1 by 6. 1 integer 1 by 6. So now here from is minus 3 by 5. And your minus and minus becomes here minus 8 by 9. So minus becomes plus. Minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 9. So now the LCM here is 45. So this will be multiplied by 9. This will be multiplied by 5. So this will be minus 3 by 9 divided by this one. So will be minus 27 by 45 plus 40 by 45. So minus 27 plus 40. So that will be 40 minus 27, and that will be 13. So that will be 13 by 45. Now look at here, minus 9 by 7 from minus 1. So here minus 1 will be at the start, and we have to subtract, means we have to put a sign, and this will be in the bracket along with the sign. So this minus 1 will be as it is, minus becomes plus, 9 by 7. So this we can write this as 1. There's nothing in this one. If it is a whole number, that means in the denominator there is 1. So now the LCM is 7. So this will be minus 7. So by here, minus 7 by 7 plus 9 by 7. So this will be, now you can write this part over here. So plus 9 minus 7, that is going to be 2. So that will be 2 by 7. Again here minus 18 by 11 from 1. So this will be 1 minus of minus 18 by 11. So minus becomes plus, 18 by 11. So this will be 1. So LCM is 11. So that will be 11 plus 18 by 11. So when you add this one, that is be 29 by 11. Again, this is the improper fraction. You can also write this one as 11 2s are 22. This will be 7. That will be 2 integers, 7 by 11. So that will be 2 integers, 7 by 11. So now from 0. So 0 should be at the start, minus. And this way minus will be, that will go in the bracket. So here minus becomes plus, 13 by 9. So 0 plus 13 by 9, that will be 13 by 9. From this one, minus 6 by 5. Minus of this will be minus 32 by 13. So minus becomes plus. So here what we can do here, this will be a 65. The LCM is going to be 65. So here will be, so 13, this thing will be here. So 13 6 is 78, 78 by 65, and this is going to be 160 by 65. So now what will you do? This thing you will write it over here. So 160 and minus 78. So this is going to be plus 82, 82 by 65. And this again, this is improper fraction, because always whenever the numerator is bigger. So 82 by 65. So it will be 65 ones are 65. So this is going to be 7 and 17. So 1 integer 17 by 65. So now look at here, from means minus 4 by 7, minus, and this will be in the bracket. This will be the same. Minus minus becomes plus. So now this will be 1. So the LCM is 7. So you are going to multiply by 7. So this will be here. So minus 4 by 7, 49 by 7. So minus 4 plus 49 by 7. So here will be plus 49 and minus 4. So this will be 45 by 7. Again, this is an improper fraction. So 40 by 5 by 7, you can write here 7, 6 are 42. And this will be 3. So 6 integers 3 by 7. So you can write here 6 integers 3 by 7. Now using the rearrangement property, find the sum. Rearrangement property means instead of just directly adding, taking the LCM and then adding or subtracting whatever it is. So what you have to do, you have to see that the denominators, which of the denominators are the same or which can be easily solved. So now you can see 3 and 3 is here, 5 and 5 is here. So these two you will take together along with the sign. So this is taken together and we have to find a sum, means you have to add it, put the addition sign in between, and then this and this you are going to take it together because the denominator is 5. This is the first step. And then other things are going to be the same. So your plus minus is going to be minus here. So it will be divided by 3 plus. Now plus minus is minus 11 by 5. So this will be 2 by 3 and here plus sign as it is. So here minus 11 plus 3, that is going to be minus 8 by 5. So plus minus is going to be minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 5. So here will be, now you will take the LCM because you can see the denominators are different. So here the LCM is going to be 15. So here, see here, this thing is here. So that will be 10 by 15 minus 24 by 15. So here this will be 10 minus 24 by 15. So minus 24 plus 10. So that is going to be minus 14 by 15. So this is the answer. Now here you can see all the denominators are different. In the previous case we had two things there. So in this case what we can do, even if the denominators all are different, we can see this 3 and 6. So they are the multiples. And then this 4 and 8, they are the multiples. So we can take these two together. Hope you got this one. And then these two together. But since it is, we have to find out sum. So in between these two brackets, we have to put the plus sign. So now after taking this one, so what we can see, we can take the LCM over here. That will be 6. So that is what is here. Again here what we can see, the LCM is 8. That is same thing is written over here. So here this will be minus 16 by 6 and minus 11 by 6. Minus 2 by 8 and plus 3 by 8. So now this together divided by 6. This together divided by 8. So minus 16 minus 11 means, as I said, you have to add it but put the negative sign. So minus 27 by 6. Because many of them make a mistake over here. The negative sign is only if negative becomes positive in case of multiplication. If it is minus 3 into, if I write a minus 2, so this will be 6, but that will be positive 6. But if I write a minus 3 minus 2, and if I want to add it, you are just going to add the numbers, but the sign remains the same, that will be minus 5. So this will be minus 27 by 6, and this is going to be 1 by 8. Now again what you can see here, the denominator is different. So we'll take the LCM and that will be 24. So this will be the same. The 27 into 4, that will be 108, but that will be negative 1. And this is going to be the 8 1 and 24 and 24. So minus 8 plus 3 by 24. So minus 108 plus 3, that is going to be minus 105 by 24. And this we can simplify it. So 3 8s are and 3 35s are. Again for this one we can also write a minus here, 35 by 8, because here that is going to be 8 4s are 4 integers 3 by 8, or we can keep it as it is. Now in this case again what we can see, the denominators are different. So now again we'll see which is the multiple of it. So we can see here 20 and 10 go together, means 10 2s are 20 we can write, and 14 and 7 2s are 14. So let us take this together and this together. And because it is a sum, the positive sign will be in the between the two brackets. Now, this is 20 means this should be multiplied by 2. Again, now simultaneously we can go for your side one. This is 14, so this should be multiplied by 2. So this will be minus 13 plus 14. So this will be here 11 and minus 10. So 11 and minus 10. The denominator is the same. So now here plus 14 minus 13. So that will be 1. So 1 by 20. Otherwise, you can write one step minus 13 plus 14 and then divide by 20 if you want this step. Or you can write it directly. So 11 minus 10, that will be 1 by 14. So now again here the denominators are different. So here, after taking the LCM, if you don't know directly for this one, because this is slightly different, 2 tens are, 2 sevens are, 2 fives are, then 5 ones are, and 7 ones are. So 7 5 are 35, 35 twos are 70, 70 twos are 140. So 140 is the LCM. So here it will go with 7 and here it will go with 10. So with 7 and with 10. So here you will get 7 by 140 plus 10 by 140. So when you add this one, that is going to be 17 by 140. Now again you will look for this one. Yes, here we have the 7 together. So you put this together and then there's no way, but then you will take this together. So now what will you do? Because now this is plus minus, first let us change the sign. Here again it is plus minus, so that becomes minus. And now you are going to look at the denominator. The denominator is the same, means the numerator should be just brought it together, minus 16, minus 15. But here what you can see in the second case, this is 6 and 9. So the LCM should be 18. So multiply by 2 and here this will be 3. So this is going to be here. This is going to be here divided by this. So minus 6 minus 15 means minus 21 by 7. And here we can write here minus 15 minus 8 by this will be 18. So minus 21 by 7 minus 15 minus 8 by 18. So you can minus 21 by 7 and this is going to be minus 15 minus 8 minus 23 by 18. So you can see here there are actually in this one you will find more number of steps. So actually it happens like if you skip the step there are to be you're bound to make mistakes. So though we can usually say the more the steps the less the mistakes. So don't minimize the steps because even a single number is changed here. So your answer is going to be wrong. Anywhere, even you can see the negative sign, positive doesn't make any problem over here, but especially whenever they have negative signs. So try to put as many steps as possible. So plus minus is minus over here, minus 23 by 18. So now here 18, this will be, the LCM is going to be 126. So this is going to be, this will be 18. So you can also check the LCM later. So this will be here. So when you multiply this, that will be minus 378 by 126 and 161 by 126. So when you add this together, that will be 126. And see here, both negative means you are going to add it or put the negative sign. So it will be minus 539 by 126. And when you simplify, your answer is going to be 77 by 18. So you can also check this one. So how it is going to be. So here it goes with 7. So 126 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 and this is 56. So this will be 7 eights are 56. So this will be, you can also put here, if you are putting here divide by 7 divided by 7. When you divide both by that one, sorry for that, 126 divide by 7, that will be divide by 7 ones are 7 and 56, 7 eights are 56. So if you are dividing this by 7, so 539 divided by 7, 7 sevens are 49 and this will be 4 9, 7 sevens are 49. Yeah, so Yeah, this is correct. Okay. So this also should be divided by, when you divide by 7, you get 77 by 18. So now here, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of the numbers is minus 4 by 5 and you have to find the other, these are the important problems now. So we don't know the other number. So let us consider the other number as x. And one number is given as minus 14 by 5. So that is written here. So now they said sum of two natural numbers is minus 2. So if one of the number is this one, so what will you do here? Minus 14 by 5, that is one number. And the other number is add. And sum is there means you are going to add that thing. And e is minus 2 means is equal to minus 2. This is very important step. So now you have to find the x. So x will be minus 2 is on its place. And if you take minus 14 by 5 to other place, that is going to be plus 14 by 5. So now you will take the LCM of this one, that is going to be 5. So that will be minus 10 by 5 plus 14 by 5. So now the LCM is 5. Now you are going to add this together. So that is going to be x by 5. So the other number is, what is find the other means the other number is 4 by 5. Again here it's given the sum of two rational numbers is minus 1 by 2. If one of the number is 5 by 6, find the other. So let the other number be x. One number is given, one is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 plus, because that is a sum, plus x. When you add this both of them, e is 1 by 2 means, minus 1 by 2 means is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the important step again. X will be, this will be on its place. But this is plus actually here. So it will go on the other place. That is going to be minus. So now what you can see, the LCM is 6. So that will be here. So minus 3 by 6 minus 5 by 6. So you will write here minus 3 minus 5 by 6. So that will be minus 8 by 6. So 2 3s are 2 4s are, that will be minus 4 by 3. Now here they gave what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2. So what number we don't know, so then let the number be x. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8? So minus 5 by 8 is already there. Now see here, how they have said what number should be added to, and what number should be added. So you are going to add plus x to this. So first write minus 5 by 8 and then write plus x. And to get means minus 3 by 2 means e is equal to minus 3 by 2. So x is here, this is here. Minus 5 by 8 goes to the other side, that will be plus 5 by 8. So here what are you going to do? Here we'll take the LCM, that will be 8. That is what is taken over here. So this will be 12 minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5, that is going to be minus 7 by 8. So this is the other number is minus 7 by 8. Now what number should be added to minus 1 so as to get 5 by 7? So let the number be x. So already it should be added to minus 1. So minus 1 should be at the start. And what should be added? The number is x. To get 5 by 7. So is equal to 5 by 7. This will be here. Minus 1 is going to be plus 1. Now again this will be 1. So the LCM is 7. So that is written over here. So that will be 5 by 7 plus 7 by 7. So that will be 5 plus 7 by 7. And that is 12 by 7. So the other number is, what number should be added? So 12 by 7 should be added. What number should be subtracted? Here they said subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get to minus 1. So the number is x. So because this is from, so this should be at the start. And what should be subtracted means, we have considered the number, so minus x. Hope this is clear. So from this means this should be at the start. So subtraction means minus x, and to get minus 1 by 6. So now let us not hurry up and make it to positive at this one. At the initial state, let us write here minus x as it is. You can take it on this side also and do it. But you can, I'll show you both ways if you want. So now here minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 3. So this is going to be minus x. So here this LCM is going to be 6. So minus 1, this part is here. So now you will be minus x is, this is same, 4 by 6. So minus x is minus 1 plus 4 by 6. So minus x is plus 4 minus 1, that will be 3 by 6. So minus x is, this will be 1 by 2. So x is going to be minus 1 by 2. And suppose you don't want minus sign. So now see here, minus x is 1 by 2, and why do we get here minus 1 by 2? Now see here, the coefficient of this is 1. So now what will you do when x is there and 1 by 2 is there, and this minus 1, if you take on the other side, that is going to be 1 by 2, that will be minus 1 itself. So what will be that? Minus into this is going to be x is minus 1 by 2. Hope this is clear to you. Or you can do one thing, if you just want from this step, you want directly positive. So what will you do? This minus 2 by 3 you will write here. This minus means here will be plus 1 by 6. And if you take this x to the other side, that is going to be plus here. So hope this is clear. Minus 4 plus 1 by 6. So that will be going to minus 3 by 6 is x. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. That will be minus 1 by 2 is x. You can also do this way as you wish. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.